Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can send your Revit file to someone who doesn't have Revit, so they can view it without the need to install anything, and it is completely for free. So as you can see here, I have my model design, I have some building, I have some sheets and some views and stuff, and I want to send this to someone who doesn't have a Revit file, and they do not want to install anything or pay for licenses, they just want to see my design. So the easiest way to do this is with the help of Autodesk Viewer. If I will now open this page, beaverautodesk.com, I will leave the link in the description below, and you sign in, you will see something like this, and you can just upload the new file. So this will be a Revit file, or you can just drag and drop it here. This is what I'm going to do. I have my file on the next screen, so I will just go and drop my file in here. Now you can see this Revit file is just one file, so I will go here with the done adding files, and now it will be uploading, processing, and then when it will be complete, you will even get an email that is completed and you can see it. So this will be really quick and easy tutorial. If you would like to have more detailed tutorial about how to use Autodesk Viewer with all of the quirks, let me know in the comments below. And now we will just wait for it to complete. Now you can see that it is being loaded. So it was processed. And as you can see, this is my design that I can see here now in my Autodesk Viewer. As you can see, I have some 3D view, and I have also my sheets in here. My level 1 sheet, floor plan, my level 2 and stuff. And you can define all of these things that if you want to like publish also your sheets or views, or you want to publish only 3D view. And if you take a look, I have a 3D view in here, which is named like this. And this is like the default 3D view. This default 3D view will be used to create this 3D view, which you can see in the Autodesk Viewer. So if I will now go back to my Revit, you can see that this default 3D view, which is this one that I'm seeing now, is the one that is being used to create the geometry and the view inside of your Autodesk Viewer. So back in Autodesk Viewer, you can see here some simple stuff that you can do with it. Some section measurement. This is pretty cool. You can explode the building to separate parts. And now if you want to share this with someone who doesn't have Revit, you can go just here. And with this share, you will get the share link, and you can just copy it and send it to someone else. And the best thing about this is that they do not need to install anything. They just need to have internet connection, and they can view it in web browser, even in mobile and tablet. And now if I will simulate this, that I will go to my new incognito window, and I will just pass my link. So let's say that someone else sent this link to me. So this is what they will see. And you can see they do not have any license, so they are not signed in, but they still can see your model design. And they can even see your sheets if you publish them, and if you want them to see it. And as you can see, this is pretty quick and pretty awesome. You can even select separate elements. So if we go back to our main one, if we go here to this Autodesk Viewer, this is like the home, and you can have more projects. You can see I have now just this beginner course, but you can have more. And if you want to modify them, you can just go and share it also from here, or delete them. And one important thing is that by default, they always expire in 30 days. So if you want them to stay longer on the site and be like accessible for more than 30 days, you always need to go and extend here, but it will always extend only for 30 days. So the maximum is 30 days, but you can extend it again and again and again. So this is, I think, the easiest way how you can share your design with someone who doesn't have Revit. And as I said before, if you want more detailed tutorial on Autodesk Viewer and how to use it, let me know in the comments below.